So this is how you can see it is fabricated. So CNT can also be formed with seamless cylinders with one or more layers of graphene. The hexagonal structure of graphene carbon nanotube is shown here. In this structure, each carbon atom bonds with neighboring atom consisting of totally 3 bonds. So with the neighboring atom, each thing is going to form 3 bonds. Okay, so that is shown in the structure. So where each carbon atom uh, with the neighboring atom, it is going to form a 3 bond structure. So see here, if you consider this, and this, if for this carbon atom, these 3 are going to be the bond. For this carbon atom, these 2 and this one is going to be the bond. For this carbon atom, these 2 and this is going to be the bond. So every carbon atom you see with the neighboring adjacent atom, it is going to form 3 bonds. So total of 3 bonds are going to be formed. So two types of carbon nanotubes are constructed. One is single-walled CNT and the second one is multi-walled CMT. The single-walled CMT is capped with half of a C60 fluorine molecule at the ends, and the metallic properties and electric and carry. The main thing why we go for CNT is it can carry very high current. Okay, so single walled CNT is shown here. See here a single walled CNT capped with half a fullerene molecule. So you take a straight rod, you take a horizontal sheet, roll it, and at the ends you make it spherical. So after capping, you get this single walled CNT with half of fullerene molecule, single walled CNT. So you horizontal manufacture all the hexagons, you roll it. After rolling, at the ends, you fix the caps and ensure that the surface is going to be very smooth and it is going to be circular at both the ends. Okay. So in a multi-walled CNT, 2 or more CNTs are concentrically rolled up. You can see there previously I have only one rolling, but here I have multiple rollings. And what is the connection? Each rolling is concentric to the outer rolling. So all the rollings are concentric, they don't touch each other, and they are looking like a perfect circles. So either you can go for single walled CNT. Single walled means you have only a single layer of carbon fullerene molecule, or multi-walled carbon nanotubes where you can have multiple layers of single wall, and all single wall layers are going to be concentric in nature. They are going to be concentric